Alright. It's not exactly what I wanted, but um, everything works. So I have MCP here. So this is all you really fucking need, dude, to get Unity development work with Claude. And then you literally just open up Unity, and then there's like 3 million fucking prompts you gotta accept on. And then you just fucking go down here. You can see it's connected. And then here's all the permissions. I just give it everything. The interesting thing is, like, I never mentioned this crap, but you know, when I was doing I actually got all this working. Like, it was working so good. It was able to run the game all by itself. Like, Claude was actually able to go into the editor and make changes in anything that you see. Like, it can literally go into project settings in here like this and just start changing stuff. I had it do that. It was going through my projects, like literally going through the whole fucking editor, and then it has its own camera. I know it sounds fucking ridiculous, but essentially it was trying to explain to me like what it was seeing, because I was seeing something else. And because I didn't see the particle effects, but it was able to see it. And turns out the camera, it creates a whole separate camera in the editor, and that's how I was able to take screenshots and everything, and then it zooms around the fucking scene, so it doesn't really bother you. It's like a ghost basically in the UI, so it doesn't actually, you can't actually see it doing anything. Um, but I got it running. So this is gonna be just for iOS build. I can't get the fucking Android working because Google Play is retarded with the packages on Mac OS. I don't think I've ever been able to get it to work, honestly. Like the Android bullshit. So maybe I just have to go through all that. Ugh. But the new version of Unity, I'm on basically 6,000.3, which is 6.3. Yeah, this one doesn't. I'm just gonna uninstall this because I don't really like working with the newest, greatest, latest fucking. Because it's just bleeding edge and it could be breaking. Could have a breaking change. So LTS is definitely better to work with, I think. But basically, what I was trying to say here is, see, it's like it's got 52 tools now. So we're done. We set it up. Holy fuck. I was hoping to get OpenClaw, so I gotta figure out how to get OpenClaw MCP to fucking work, you know, in the same way. So there's MCP as well here, but apparently on Mac OS, for whatever fucking reason, it uses this OpenClaw JSON, like the native client, OpenClaw client. But there's also a .claude folder as well. Like, what the fuck? I don't have that openclaw.json file in the root. So basically, I can, on my Linux box, I can run Claude, right? And do things, and then whatever the fuck I do here, I can open up OpenClaw and then connect to like literally any provider. So Anthropic, DeepSeek, whatever the fuck. I was gonna try Hugging Face as well, maybe. Because with Hugging Face, you basically have access to literally everything. Like all of this, and then whatever you want to set up manually, you know. So anyway, I was gonna try like maybe different, some of the open source models. They're like super cheap, you know, and they're actually getting pretty good. But I just don't have the hardware. Like the shit that I run on DGX, yeah, it runs, but it's kind of slow to get for anything to run that is capable. It's too slow for me. So anyway, oh yeah, I guess fucking Writer will work now. So you have to basically open up the project, and then it has to be able to build, and then it creates a solution file. So now, at least we should have a solution file. Maybe just open up the folder. Oh. Yeah, where the fuck is the solution file, bro? Where the fuck is it? Does anybody see it? Because I'm fucking blind right now. I do not fucking see it. Yep. Is it... No, I don't fucking see it. It built the project. What the fuck, bro? Where are you? So, if you can hit the play button, it should have a fucking solution built. It compiled everything. I swear to God, bro. It's just one thing after another with this crap. So I gotta figure that out. I'm sure it's, oh. You know what? There's one more fucking thing I gotta do. External tools. This is like such a fucking massive pain in my asshole. Literally, anytime I need to update anything in a significant enough of a way, like I gotta go through this bullshit. There, Writer. Jesus fuck. I forgot what the fuck I did here. I think that's it. Alright, so now, no, I'm sure there's like 3 other fucking things I gotta do. But, you know, I think, how about now, fuckface? I see more files. Okay, see? You only have to find the hidden option, you know? There, you fuck. There. Yeah, don't mind that. So, it's connected. Can I hit play in this motherfucker? Yep. See, we got the technologies now. After a lot of headache. Control it in Writer as well. Can we fucking stop? Yeah. Okay. There you go. You know, it's only a whole day of fiddling knobs, and now I got a dev environment set up. Now I can go to a coffee shop and vibe code games into existence.